It goes back to back, and that 3x goes back to back itself. But Chinko has advanced.
50x 1 at 10.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
The spirit, that is my guy, that is my boy. Looks like you, me? Like a more water? Alright, there we go. Actually, yeah. Today I actually didn't drink a lot of water. Didn't drink enough water today. Maybe after crazy time session, gonna just like a few liters, just to try of the water, just for the healthy, feel better. Yeah, every day is really important. Wow, cash got with the 5x. Woohoo! The Bobby Bombarders making magic as usual. It's like a bam, 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 bam. Woo! There we go. How much booty pairs? 100x with the 5x in the top slot. Let's multiply everything. I don't know. Every time when I'm hosting Crazy Time, always a lot of booty pairs. 500x. Now we're gonna mix everything, like inside, drops at 100x, 200, 500, all that's multipliers, gonna mix everything. On the top, most important, to add the salt. Every food, every meal, if you wanna make more tasty, you need to add the salt. So now, you need to take your weapon. Depends where you're hiding your weapon. Choose the spot, make the shot, and you, right here, right now, can catch that 500x. We're gonna use auto pick option as well. Up it up.
This is the amount of money issued, 68,992 euros.
So cameraman, wicked winners. 21 for winners with a 500x. Right about 5,000 euro win with the 500x. That was powerful cash on, by the way. Wow. Delicious with the 5x in the top spot. Thundercubers, welcome to the Crazy Time. Bob's the Lobster still here, still alive. And there we go.
Let's are open again. Ido, Yuki, Carlos, El Paso, and MD, you're the partners of the last round. Oh, it's time, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to shine. My dear players, what are your favorite songs? Better goes right now. What are your favorite songs? Cash on with 7x. Who is the most popular musician artist in Philippines, ladies and gentlemen? Who is the most popular musician artist in the Philippines? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at this. It's time to hunt. It's time for a hunt. And it's Cash on with 7x top slot. Wait a minute. Wow, welcome to the cash, and it's time to hunt some cash, of course, ladies and gentlemen. So look at this board. Let's apply the 7x multiplier. Woo, wow, it's so beautiful. The highest one is 700x. Let's hide those multipliers. Wow. Let's mix them together. Ladies and gentlemen. This one is going to be a huge one. You know what? It's decision time. Me personally, I'm a huge star fan. I love the star, so I'm going to choose the star in the middle, the left one. If you don't want to choose, let the bot choose for you. You have an auto pick option. And by the way, what are your favorite icons? What are your favorite icons, ladies and gentlemen?
This is the amount of money issued, 110,103 euros.
Oh, the 700 is over there. I hope you got it. Congrats to almost 2,000 winners. Welcome back. 105 is a huge multiplier. Wow, this one was huge. I just can't believe it. This one was my best, my personal best, I think. Wow. Bets are close right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Slowly getting to the end of the day. Well, not like really the end of the day. So far, it's only the middle of it. I'm okay with that. Almost 70 in the Philippines. Oh. Let's go as well. For me, when it's going to be that time, I'm going to be almost on my way home. I think so. I am planning to go to the gym today. 7x on crazy time with a top slot. Can we actually hit it? Can we get that crazy time with a 7x, please? Please, come on. Come on. Stay there. Yes, yes. 7x crazy time in the pocket. Everybody follow me. Hey, who said only Bobby can deliver? This is the biceps I'm talking about, okay? All right. Do you see this, lads? Do you see this? Let's reveal everything, everybody. Every single segment of the wheel. And now, let's not forget about a top slot. 7x. Exactly. Not 2, not 3, not 5. 7x. On top of all of that good stuff. And we still have doubles. So, I mean, everything is possible. Make your decision. Green, blue, or yellow. Which color will it be? If you don't make it, our pick is going to happen. Yeah, Yuri's in the house. You're welcome to Crazy Time, everybody. Final moments. Maximum 700x. I want you to be happy. Okay? Make it happen, everybody. So, we have 175x for blue and green. Yellow team, we got a double. We got a double. The max is going to be 1400x, lads. We're talking about 4 digits. I don't care what cost it's going to be, but I want you to get it. Make it happen, okay?
This is the amount of money issued: 162,372 euros.
110x for the yellow team. Enjoy! And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, better close. Enjoy the winnings, everybody.
You get 378 first winners. SAI, you get 141 euro. And there we go. I hope I gotta get enough like about, I don't know, I believe like it's not going to be really hard to like a cut for me to combine everything. And I got a feeling it's going to be really powerful, really nice quality made it cut. Cash on with the 10x. Last time I did made like a really good cut, and it was even without like any cardio. Wait a minute! Woo! Cash on with the 10x on the top slot. Da, 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 da. Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, who is the big boss of the cash on today? Yeah. The Bobby's Bombarder is making magic. 10x on the top slot. Let's multiply this magic ball. Ooh, no way, ladies and gentlemen. I got a feeling one day I gotta be better. 1,000x, the highest one. So many multipliers I always bring it on the crazy time. Unbelievable. I need to be like already become your favorite host, because if you're gambling with a Bobby, if you're playing with a Bobby, it's just making like from the SpongeBob that was crap making money. So listen to your heart and decide where is the lucky one spot, where is hiding such powerful 1,000x, ladies and gentlemen, or out a big option, up it up.
This is the amount of money issued: 141,120 for euros.
To come to the match, we get.
You see, sometimes giving the second chance is not worth it. That's a life lesson. Back to back. I got back to back, and that 3x got back to back itself. Pachinko has a 5x, 25. Pachinko has a 25x from the TOPSLOT. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shush. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's go for it, you guys. Back to back to back. broken arms, you guys. Got a 3x as the lowest multiplier as well. A 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And of course, a double. So let's multiply the whole fun. 25 times 25. The highest catch is 625, maybe? I'm not sure, actually. Anyways, let's get it. Good luck. Double, double, double. Let's double the whole fun. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued to 125,374 euros.
It's golden. Congratulations to your 1,622 winners.
Well, congrats, more than 11,000 winners. And let's get this wheel up and moving for you. Hi, how are you? Congratulations to me, got 50x. Congrats, big fish. Big fish. Alright, let's do a big spin for some crazy time from the top slot. Hey, oh my. Excuse me. Follow me, please. Welcome to the Crazy Time World. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have something very nice here. Alright guys, as you can see, we have a little prize from the top slot. It's called the 4x, so let's multiply everything by 4 before we choose the colors. Oh, isn't this lovely? Isn't it lovely? Guys, we got yellow, we got blue, and we got green, so you have to choose which one is going to be the luckiest color for you. Do it now. I wish everybody good luck. The highest multiplier is 400x. Good luck to you. Boom. Let's see what we have. Got the double on the green one. Hello. Let's double everything. Ooh, isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? Highest multi 800x. Good luck, my green friends. Let's see what you get.
This is the amount of money issued 905,879 euros.
Hello, welcome back, more than 10,900 winners. This is a very lovely round. We got 400, 60, and 200x. Congratulations, guys. All bets are closed. If you're new here, hi, welcome to the Crazy Time, guys. You
can ask him that, by the way. 5,151 total winners. Congratulations to all of you top winners. What is this? Happy Feet? I feel like, yeah, that was the movie, right? About the penguins dancing? Yeah. Beautiful. 50x won a 10. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. Please leave. Oh, of course I will. But
This is the amount of money issued to 1,086,388 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society. as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.